How to see your YouTube subscribers. So what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you right now how you can actually check your dashboard and see your YouTube subscribers for yourself. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So let me just move my face out of the way for you so we can actually see my YouTube screen right here. So all you have to do really, it's quite simple. Simply just click on the top right hand corner right here. And if we go to YouTube Studio Beta, we have to obviously click on that. So we just be taken right here, and depending on if you actually have subscribers, first of all, you'll actually see like a section right here that actually says like recent subscribers, where you can actually check out your most recent subscribers. But another way to go about it is to actually click on the Creator Studio Classic right here, click on skip, so we can actually go back to the old classic editor, and all you have to do is just click on community right here. And once we do that, we can just click on subscribers and we can see all the people that have actually subscribed to us recently. So as you can see, only, subscribers are actually going to be appearing here. So if you have like 1,000 subscribers, then you'll see all of your 1,000 subscribers who have actually subscribed to your YouTube channel right here, from most recent to most popular. So let's just say a channel that has like, I don't know, 100,000 subscribers subscribes to your channel. They'll actually appear at the top on the most popular category right here if you want to check that out. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much that simple really when it comes to like, your subscribers. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to leave a like. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more videos where I talk about how you can gain more viewers, how you can gain more subscribers for your own channel, how you can actually make money on YouTube, because I'll be making a lot more videos regarding that type of stuff as well. Also comment down below if you have a channel of your own that you're creating content for. Like, let me know what your channel's all about and I'll check it out myself. I'm always like, actively looking at the comment section down below, see what you guys are actually posting. So I'm always looking out for that. So now that you know how to check your subscribers, now all we have to do is just get you more viewers to your YouTube channel and help you get more subscribers for your own channel, so you can actually start seeing this right here go up. So what I want to actually do for you is actually put a couple of end screens right here on the left and right side. So yeah, just simply click the end screens right here, and you can watch more videos that will help you gain more subscribers and more viewers on YouTube. So with that being said, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you on one of those videos very soon.